abdomen relaxed, chest lifted up. Relax your shoulders, relax your throat, neck, upper back and spine in straight one line. आपका सर, ऊपरी भाग स्पाइन का और नीचे का हिस्सा एक सीधी लाइन में हो. Jaws, tongue, face, relax कीजिए. Relax the frowns from your forehead. Relax the top of the head, side of the head. And now begin to notice your breath. Pranadharana. Notice the breath entering through the nostril and exiting through the nostril. Notice the temperature of the breath that you are inhaling and exhaling. हवा की नमी या सूखापन अनुभव कीजिए. सांस का ठंडापन और गर्म. At the time of exhalation, the warm breath, notice it. Now slowly go further. As you breathe in, allow the breath to go through the nasal bridge, behind your throat in the trachea and in the lungs. And as you exhale out from the lungs, trachea, nasal bridge, nostril, upper lip and out. इस पैसेज के प्रति अवेयरनेस बढ़ाइए. Become aware of the breath passage and the organs involved in the breathing. Few breaths, watching your natural course of breath. Now deepen it further. Inhaling from the nostril, noticing the breath passage. As you inhale, watch the lift in the chest. Your chest rises up on inhalation. And as you exhale, your chest collapses or the front of the chest drops and you breathe out from the same passage. Couple of breaths there, noticing the breath passage and rise and fall in the chest. The top of the chest, the middle of the chest, the side of the chest all rises up. And on exhalation, your chest collapses and you breathe out through the same breath passage out. Now let's deepen it further. As you inhale, first allow your tummy to come out. Feel the breath in your belly, in the chest, in the upper chest. And exhale by drawing the belly in close to the spine. तो पहले पेट को अंदर लेंगे. Then from the upper chest and from the top chest and exhale. Inhale once more in the belly, chest and upper chest. Exhale in the belly by drawing the belly close to the spine, chest and the top chest and breathe out. ये एक पूरा राउंड एक हैप्पी ब्रेथ या योगिक ब्रेथ का है या जिसे हम एब्डोमिनल ब्रेथ भी कहते हैं. ब्रीथ करते रहिए. Explore your breath in silence and become more centered, focused and present. Now slowly get your palms together in prayer position. मैं प्रेयर बोलूंगी, अगर आपको उसका ज्ञान है तो मेरे साथ रिपीट करिए. अदरवाइज mentally try to connect to the prayer with me. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sah Viryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishvave. Gently bow down. Come back to the center and bring your hands down. Let me quickly tell you about pranayam before we progress into the practice. Pranayam is a practice of extension and the control of the breath. It is a yogic science. But before we go there, we have many classes coming up. I want to establish you all in the practice of breathing deep and understand how it's to be done. Once we get there, become comfortable, we will probably be ready to take up pranayam at the beginner level. There is one adhyam level, madhyam level, and uच्चतम. उच्चतम में क्या होता है कि योगी अपना सरफेस छोड़ देता है और हवा में फ्लोट करने लगता है. वी आर नॉट गोइंग देयर. वी डोंट थिंक हम उस प्रैक्टिस के लिए रेडी हैं. अभी हम बिगनर प्रैक्टिस से चालू करेंगे और बिगनर प्रैक्टिस करने के पहले भी हमें डीप ब्रेथ का एहसास होना चाहिए और उसकी प्रैक्टिस में एस्टैब्लिश होना चाहिए. सो फॉर टुडे लेट्स बिगिन. कंटिन्यू टू सिट स्ट्रेट, मेंटेनिंग योर स्पाइन इरेक्ट. ये एक सिंपल इंस्ट्रक्शन है जो मैं बार बार बोलती रहूंगी, जिसका आपको ध्यान रखना है और अपनी स्पाइन एडजस्ट करते रहना है. आईज क्लोज करेंगे. एक हाथ को आप चेस्ट पे रखेंगे और दूसरे हाथ को आप बेली पे रखेंगे. इंस्ट्रक्शंस पे आप ब्रीथ करना चालू करेंगे, नोटिसिंग फर्स्ट ब्रेथ इन योर एब्डोमेन, देन द चेस्ट एंड द अपर चेस्ट, मीनिंग द कॉलर area, your clavicular area. On exhalation, you will gently exhale from the belly by drawing the belly muscles in towards the spine. Allow the chest to drop as you exhale from the lungs, and exhale residual breath from the top of the lungs and breathe out fully. You may sink your back while exhalation, so consciously keep correcting your spine in between. Let's begin together. Eyes closed, left hand over the chest, right hand over the belly. Inhale, abdomen, chest and upper chest. Exhale, inhale, exhale. We'll stop for a while. Additional instruction coming up on the way. On inhalation, as you breathe in, you will feel the breath entering through the abdomen, chest and upper chest, and feel the breath moving in your abdominal area, chest area, upper chest area, neck, shoulder, back of the neck, and your lower back. इस awareness के साथ, let's begin once more. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Few breaths at your own pace. And slowly release your hands and bring your palms down. Now we step towards counting our breaths, equal inhalation and equal exhalation. Pranayam is a practice of longer exhalation, but before going there, we need to fix our breathing counts, become our aware of her in-breath and out-breath in equal proportion. So keep your hands in Gyan Mudra by fixing your index finger and thumb together, palms facing down, fingers facing down. Sit with an erect back. Breath का movement abdomen, chest and upper chest में ही रहेगा. Count मैं करूंगी, breathe आप करेंगे. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3. In 2, 3. Out 2, 3. In 2, 3. Out 2, 3. In 2, 3, 4. Out 2, 3, 4. 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 Browse the breath in silence. इसी count के साथ continue to breathe at the count of 4 and continue to exhale at the count of 4. Now we are going to continue at the sound of Om, जहाँ पे सोम ओम की ध्वनि 5 सेकंड in and 5 सेकंड out. I'll play the sound. Stay connected. Sit with a closed eyes, with a straight back, and begin.
Can't hear you.
Continue to sit straight. मैंने इंस्ट्रक्शन बंद किया हुआ था और आपको एक मौका दिया था अपनी ब्रेथ को साइलेंस में एक्सपीरियंस करने का. साथ में ओम की ध्वनि भी लगाई थी. अगर वो नहीं हुआ तो उसके लिए मुझे क्षमा करें. We proceed further. आंख बंद करके stay connected to the breath. In breath, out breath, rise and fall in the chest, contraction and abdomen in the belly, and understand that a full yogic breath begins in the abdomen, rises up in the chest, in the upper chest, and exhalation always begins in the belly, mid chest, and the top chest. Having understood this, having experienced it for good 5 to 7 minutes, let's proceed further to the next pranayama, शीतली प्राणायाम. समर का टाइम है, गर्मी का समय है और ये एक सूक्ष्म प्रैक्टिस है जिसे बिगनर्स आराम से कर सकते हैं, जिसके कोई बहुत ज्यादा कॉन्ट्रा इंटरडिक्शंस नहीं है. हर कोई किसी भी उम्र का, irrespective of their practice, wherever they are, they can attempt this, understand it and learn it. There are so you need to continue to sit straight with a cross leg, keeping your spine erect. मैं आपको करके एक बार दिखाती हूँ इसकी जो टेक्निक है, फिर हम सब साथ में करेंगे. So to begin with, we take our tongue out completely and begin to roll the side of the tongue. It may not come easily, but that's okay. Practice करते रहिए. In coming sessions, you will be able to roll the tongue as well. So take your tongue out. Roll it and begin to breathe from your mouth, sensing the flow of the breath over your tongue. तो जो सलाइवा है वो सूखने लगता है, और जब वो सूखने लगता है तो आपको एक ठंडी हवा का एहसास होता है. पूरी ब्रेथ, लंग्स ब्रेथ लेने के बाद 3/4 कैपेसिटी ऑफ द ब्रेथ लेने के बाद मुंह बंद करेंगे और शांतता के साथ दोनों नॉस्ट्रल के थ्रू यू विल एक्सेल फ्रॉम द बेली. ओके, अगर टंग रोल करने में आपको दिक्कत आ रही है तो देयर इज अनदर वे. यू कैन पुल योर टंग आउट कंप्लीटली. Keep your little finger anamika in front. Try to roll your tongue around your finger and breathe in. Just giving you some tool to roll the tongue, else you can try without the finger as well. Take your tongue out. Keep the finger. So the rolling happens naturally and easily. Inhale through the nose, inhale through the mouth, close your mouth, exhale through the nose. Let's begin. In, close, out. In, close your mouth, exhale. Let's begin with the count. In, 1, 2, close, out, 2, 3. In, 2, 3, close, out, 2, 3. In, 2, 3, close, out, 2, 3. In, 2, 3, close, out, 2, 3. Last one. In, 2, 3, close, out, 2, 3. Stop the practice. Feel the natural suspension in the breath once you stop breathing. Exhale fully by drawing the belly in close to the spine and reconnect to your usual, normal, regular, deep breath in and deeper breath out. Shitli pranayam, as we did by rolling the tongue, is a cooling pranayam, reduces the body heat, very, very subtle practice, and is supposed to quench your thirst in extreme summer environment. It was a yogic way of reducing the thirst. Now continue to sit straight. We proceed further to the last practice for the day, is Bhramari Pranayam. Keep your back erect. Bhramari, as the name suggests, is a humming bee breath. इस breath को करने से जब आपका exhalation खुद से normally extend हो जाता है, आपको effort नहीं करना पड़ता, unlike other pranayamic practices. Breathing काफी calming होती है. It establishes the peace and stillness. It brings you to the meditative state of mind, helps in releasing stress and anxiety. We will be doing 5 rounds together. So what you need to do, you close your ears by inserting your thumb in your ears on either side. eyes closed, and keep your fingers gently over the eyes. We will inhale through the nose, 3/4 capacity of the lungs. Exhale through the nose by trying to pronounce म शब्द. म शब्द का उच्चारण करते हुए हम एक्सेल करेंगे लॉन्ग. उस ध्वनि से जो गुंजन या रेबरबरेशंस प्रोड्यूस होगा, जो ध्वनि उभरेगी, उसके ऊपर आप अपना ध्यान रखिए. अवेयरनेस ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द स्कल एंड द टॉप ऑन योर फेस रखेंगे. स्पाइन स्ट्रेट रखेंगे एंड इस प्रैक्टिस को अनुभव करेंगे. लेट्स बिगिन टुगेदर. Close your ears by inserting the thumb. Close your eyes. Gently place your fingers on the top of the eyes. Inhale together from the nostril, 3/4 capacity of the lungs. हाथ नीचे ले आइए ज्ञान मुद्रा में. Palms facing upward, fingers pointing downward. And once more begin with the Bhramari Pranayam. कान बंद किए बगैर भी ये प्रैक्टिस की जा सकती है. लेट्स अनुभव. लेट्स एक्सपीरियंस. बिगिन. Inhale through the nose. Last round. Silence. Notice your inner calm. The newly instilled peace. And the stillness in and around you. You may notice that watching the breath becomes easier. The mind becomes calm and is better prepared for concentration. You are able to do what you want to do in the moment. Let's conclude today's practice by chanting Om sound 3 times, Om mantra 3 rounds. Om ध्वनि universe के सृजन की ध्वनि है. It's a creative sound that was heard at the beginning, at the formation, when the universe came into manifestation. Let's connect to the vibrations Let's connect to our inner creativity and instill bigger peace and calmness within. Palms together in prayer position, back straight, eyes closed. Inhale through the nose, 3/4 capacity of the lungs, and on exhalation, we chant Om together by extending our exhalation. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Thank you so much. Rub your palms together. Generate some heat and warmth between the center of the palms. And gently apply that energy on your eyes, face, body, shoulders, legs, and knees. Bless yourself. As expected, we have exceeded the time because it was a first class and a lot of instructions were to be given. Going forward, we'll be more mindful and try to conclude the class within the 20 minutes. But that seems a little difficult for me for the first week because there's a lot that needs to be told and to be taught and to be understood together before we progress, because it's a delicate science. It needs to be understood, experience, अनुभव के साथ आगे बढ़िए. There's no point jumping directly to Anulom Vilom Bhastrika. These are the advanced practices. उसके लिए पहले breath pattern, the deep breathing has to be set. अगर आपका डीप ब्रेथ बराबर सेट नहीं हुआ है तो प्राणायाम का प्रैक्टिस बेनिफिट आपको शायद सिर्फ 10 मिनट का ही मिलेगा, विच अदरवाइज शुड बी 80 to 90%. सो इन ब्रेथ, आउट ब्रेथ, एब्डोमिनल ब्रेथ, वंस दैट इज सेट, वो अवेयरनेस आपकी बढ़िया सेट हो गई है तो फिर आपको इनहेलेशन एंड एक्सहेलेशन इक्वल, देन डबल. आज हम डबल पे गए भी नहीं है, मैंने सिर्फ आपको 3 काउंट इन एंड 3 काउंट आउट, 4 काउंट इन एंड 4 काउंट आउट. टुवर्ड्स द एंड ओम साउंड, आई डोंट नो आपने सुना कि नहीं सुना, इट वाज फॉर 5 सेकंड्स, 5 सेकंड इन एंड 5 सेकंड आउट. आपके पास एक दिन का टाइम है बिटवीन द क्लास. आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल टू डू दिस प्रैक्टिस टुडे इवनिंग और टुमारो मॉर्निंग सेम टाइम. प्राणायाम का समय, स्थान, सब कुछ फिक्स होना चाहिए. खाने पे भी ध्यान दीजिए. ट्राई टू ईट less spicy food. Be in a sattvic state of mind to derive the benefits of this practice. All works together. Fruits खाइए, less spicy food खाइए, डिनर जल्दी खाइए. प्राणायाम की प्रैक्टिस और खाने के बीच में आपको करीब 6 से 6 घंटे का, 4 से 6 घंटे का ब्रेक होना चाहिए. वी नेवर डू प्राणायाम विथ फूड इन द बेली, क्योंकि प्राणायाम का मेजर इफेक्ट हीटिंग होता है. हमने आज कूलिंग प्राणायाम किया, बट मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द प्राणायाम विच विल बी लर्निंग फर्दर इंक्रीजेस बॉडी हीट. इसीलिए आज मैंने आपको नॉन रिस्क प्राणायाम सिखाया, बिकॉज आई डोंट नो व्हाट योर फिजिकल कंडीशन इज. अगर हाइपरटेंसिव है, ब्लड प्रेशर है, तो देयर आर सर्टेन थिंग्स विच नीड नॉट बी डन. सो वो मैं इंस्ट्रक्शंस आपको बिगिनिंग ऑफ द प्राणायाम में दूंगी. अगर आप उस कैटेगरी में फॉल करते हैं कि आप नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो आपके लिए वेरिएशन सजेस्ट होगा और आप उस तरीके से करेंगे. राइट? सो माय रिक्वेस्ट टू यू, आज की जो प्रैक्टिस एब्डोमिनल ब्रेथ्स की 3, वो आज आप शाम को बिफोर योर टी, आफ्टर योर फूड, कीपिंग द गुड डिस्टेंस बिटवीन योर फूड इनटेक, आप उस वक्त करेंगे. 3 count in, 3 count out, 4 count in, 4 count out, and 5 count in, 5 count out. Rolling practice of Sheetli karenge, it doesn't happen that easily. Okay, so rolling of the tongue has to happen well. वो करने के बाद हम आपको परसों फिर मिलेंगे and we will go one step forward. There will be lesser instructions going forward, but yes, I mentioned it in the beginning that it's a first class, I need to talk aloud. Okay, so without taking further time, I know it's a busy day for all of you. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.